Hi, sweet pea. Who has the hiccups? Who has the hiccups? Who's sleepy? Who just ate all their bottle and has the hiccups? You are so cute.
Is that what made that machine always like? Remember when we were doing hearing his heartbeat?
Yeah, that.
Did you feel him do that inside your belly? Really? Let me daddy see.
You felt it too when you were touching me. It was when he would tap like this over and over like this, you know? That's when he would hiccup. Hey, you have a bald head.
Oh, Mama, he has a perfect head. Yes, you do. You have a perfect head. You look like an old Chinese man.
With the hiccups.
You are Yan Can Cook.
Oh, honey, his neck. When he hiccups.
Boo.
Honey!
Trying to make it go away.
You can't scare the hiccups out of him.
Look at him. He's trying to go to sleep.